In a jungle, there was a burrow where lived a rabbit family with 4 brothers. And one of them was really hungry all the time. It used to eat round the clock, whether it is day or night. The much it eats, its craving for food was never satisfied. One day, they all went for a picnic in a carrot field, which was full of red and yummy juicy carrots. They all started playing, running, dancing in the field. But look at this hungry one. It started eating carrots. The time they went to the field to evening, kept on eating carrots. And now it's time for the field owner to come back. So all the brothers started calling him, "Come out of the field, come out of the field. We have to go and leave now because it's time for the owner to come. If he'll saw us, it is going to beat us or catch us. Come fast, come fast." But this hungry one, it wasn't listening to anyone. It kept on eating. Oh look, who's here? It's field owner, and this hungry one is still eating. It should run and leave the field now. All the brothers are calling from outside the field. "Come, let's leave. The owner is here." And when the rabbit saw the field owner, it started running to save itself from the field owner. But it couldn't run fast. And the field owner saw that this rabbit could not run faster. So he started chasing it. And see what happened. All the other brothers quickly went inside the burrow and hid there. And they have started calling the hungry rabbit to come fast inside and save itself. As the hungry rabbit reached the burrow, see what happened. It is stuck at the entrance of the burrow because of the fat body. And the owner is soon to arrive. So all the brothers started pulling it inside. Finally, it is inside the burrow and safe from the owner of the field. But its body is bruised badly. You can see it got hurt. And like this, our hungry rabbit got a lesson that I should not eat much. I should eat the much my body needs. I shouldn't be greedy all the time. I hope you will also remember this, that greed leads to problems, isn't it? See you next time. Bye bye. ऐसे ही फन लर्निंग वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे लर्निंग प्रोग्राम के बारे में और जानने के लिए स्क्रीन पर दिए गए डिटेल्स पर संपर्क करें। स्कूल एट होम, द बेस्ट वे टू लर्न। खेल खेल में पढ़ाई।